5 interesting facts about the Boeing 747. 1. Boeing 747, the beginning of the so-called jumbo jet era, debuted in 1970 and was the first of the jumbo jets. Jumbo jets were also the A380, A340, etc. 2. Boeing 747 also ended the era of the so-called jumbo jets. The last 747 was produced in 2023 and other jumbo jets ended production in 2021, A380 or 2011, A340. 2. 3. 747 holds passenger record. In 1991, on the 20th anniversary of the airline, Soviet Aeroflot, one Boeing 747 could fit 1,090 passengers. 4. The first commercial flight of the 747 took place on January 22, 1970, from New York to London. 5. Price: the 747-700 cost approximately $20 million to produce. The 747-400 cost $200 million to produce. The 747-800 cost $350 million to produce.